Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Long time no see you. Давно не бачилися. І я маю деякі новини для вас, як завжди. I got some news for you as usually. Very good ones, так? So guys, you can see I am in the new room. And this is the reason why I haven't recorded new video lessons for a while, because I moved to London and it took me so much time and energy to do that. And many of you ask me, where am I right now? Where do I live in Ukraine? Guys, if you are new to this YouTube channel, I would like to tell you that I'm originally from the south of Ukraine, Kherson. And I fled from it at the end of March 2022. I spent almost 8 months in Ternopil. This is the city in the west of Ukraine. And then almost 1 year ago, I fled to the United Kingdom. I lived between Oxford and London in a very beautiful British village. But now it's time to be here in London, and yes, I'm here. Guys, another reason why I moved to London, because on October 30 I launched my first Ukrainian language courses in London. The course format is a mix of in-person and Zoom lessons to provide with greater flexibility and options for learning. My students enjoy a total of 24 classes, 12 in person and 12 via Zoom, and I teach 2 groups, A1 and A2. And here you can see how we have our lessons.
Flash, хлуч, ляш, флач.
Вода.
Вода. Так, що це?
It's water.
Yes, water.
Це велике і червоне яблуко.
Neuter, I will help you, yeah.
Окей, воно
Воно.
солодке.
You say she has short hair.
Коротке.
Так.
Блондинка?
Блондинка, так, вона блондинка. I'm very happy and proud to announce that our amazing team, Speak Ukrainian, launched a new textbook, and this is the Ukrainian alphabet book. Ta-da! Oh, I'm so happy about this product because I have an idea to write it many years ago, but I didn't have time and resource to do that, as I am a founder of my online school and I record this video lessons for you here on the YouTube channel, and I teach also different courses, so it's very tough to do all the time different things, and I can't write textbooks or create some new products on my own as I did it earlier. So therefore I had this idea when I more than 3 years ago, when I recorded my video lesson about the Ukrainian alphabet. You can check it out, and guys, you can see it is very popular right now. It has more than 500,000 views, and it's amazing. And very soon my YouTube channel will have 50,000 subscribers. So please, if you watch my YouTube channel and you're not subscribed, you have to subscribe, like this video and leave your comments about it, because that's amazing. We will celebrate this together on the live stream here. We will drink champagne and talk. Yes, you can ask any questions that you would like to hear about me, my school, my project, everything. I will be so happy to share all my secrets with you. Okay guys, about the textbook. And when I recorded that video lesson, and I told you guys that it is very useful to learn the Ukrainian alphabet and do it practicing together with the ABC book. And I went to the Ukrainian bookstore and I got a Ukrainian ABC book that is designed for the Ukrainian kids. But I showed you in the video, and many of you asked me, Ina, where can I buy an ABC book? Please help me. And I couldn't help you because it's very tough to find a Ukrainian ABC book, originally one. And then even if you get it, it's very tough to use it for you as the person who learn Ukrainian. And the second one, because it is not adapted at all. And I realized, oh my God, I gave you a very bad advice. And I realized I have to create a textbook, a Ukrainian ABC book that you can use the person who starts learning the beautiful Ukrainian language as a foreign one, and it can be helpful for you. And here it is. So guys, I have a very amazing teacher in my team. By the way, I have a team of 15 teachers. They are all professionals from Ukraine. They are native teachers. They have a master's or PhD in linguistics. And one of them, Irina Topolnika, she is from Ivano-Frankivsk. She is a translator, professional teacher. She has a CELTA certificate, and also she is a Methodist. She has been teaching Ukrainian language for more than 12 years now. And guys, who took our course from an absolute beginner to a confident speaker, you know that Irina, she is a Methodist and the curator of this course. So I'm sure you had a chat with her and the live speaking sessions. So she wrote this textbook. I talked to her and said, Irina, you know, I have this idea. Let's do this product. I'm sure it will be very useful. And she did it, and I'm very happy about that. So you can see this amazing, beautiful cover. Oh my God, so beautiful. Yeah, the Ukrainian alphabet book, spelling, reading, writing. And we have an amazing illustrator in our team who created beautiful pictures from the set of the flashcards, 100 Ukrainian idioms. I'm sorry, this video is the full advertisement of my school, of my products, of my team. Sorry guys, but you know that I'm very happy about it. I want to tell you that my school is my sense of life right now, because I don't have anything right now. I'm here in the UK on my own. My family is in Ukraine, and I'm super tired, and my family is in Ukraine. I'm here on my own. It's very tough, and I try to do all my best to run my school and everything. And I'm sorry, it's so tough. It's so tough, but the only reason that I have right now for keep living, for keep moving, is you, because you are my family. And yes, it's very tough, but I do my best. Sorry. And yeah, so thank you so much. You're my family, you're my supporters. And yes, what I do right now, that's my sense in life. That's my reason to keep living. It's my fight. It's my language front, because you know that we still have a horrible war in Ukraine, and it's very tough. And I keep fighting, and hope for the best. Sorry, very emotional video. Just a moment, sorry guys. Okay, so a textbook, yeah, Ukrainian alphabet book. So it's amazing. You can see there are lots of very beautiful illustrations. So we have 33 letters in the Ukrainian alphabet, and we created and explanations how to pronounce each letter in the Ukrainian alphabet, the phonetic rules. Also, you can scan a QR code and listen to the pronunciation. You can also read the words. With this letter, you can listen, repeat after the speaker. You can check yourself, and also these amazing illustrations will help you to make some associations with the letters. And then it can be very helpful for you. So when you learn something new, it is very important for you to understand what is the best way for you to memorize some new information. And some people, they are like kinesthetic, and they can remember information by touching, imagining, smelling. It's very important for them to have this like sensor connection, something like this. I hope you understand what I mean. Or you can understand very well when you can see something. And I think this if you're a visual learner, so for you it's very important to see these illustrations, make associations in your head, and then you can memorize very well. Or if you're a listener, so for you it will be very useful to listen after the native speaker and repeat. And we did all the voiceover in the professional studio in Ukraine.
Літера Ж. Жук. Жаба. Жінка.
So guys, and also you can practice writing there. It's up to you if you want to do that. You're welcome. And we have the whole also table with all the letters, and also at the end of this book you can find the phonetic exercises. Then you can like summarize everything, all your knowledge, and to practice it again and again. So I'm super happy that we launched this amazing product. You can check it out on our website speaky.com in the section textbooks. We have an ebook. It costs $20, and we have a hardcover version. It costs $40, including the shipping. We ship our products worldwide, and usually it takes 2-3 weeks in order to get it for you. And guys, very soon we'll have Black Friday, so we'll have some discounts, so you can check it out. You can get discounts on our products, textbooks, flashcards, on the individual lessons for the professional teacher. So please check it out. I'm sure it will be very, very useful for you. Дорогі друзі, my dear friends, thank you so much. Дуже дякую. Appreciate your support. Appreciate your good comments. Thank you for being with me. Дуже дякую. Teacher Ina, and bye bye.